Guys, we are going to find out the maximum value of x square y cube, where 2x plus 3y equal to 10 given, right? Guys, before we move to the solution part, I have a request for you. If you are new here or you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to subscribe my channel. It will surely benefit you. Alright, so let's solve the problem. So to solve this problem, actually you need to know one concept, that is sequence, okay? And I'm going to introduce arithmetic progression, okay, that is called AP, and geometric progression, that is called GP. So when we can call a sequence as arithmetic progression, so if the difference between any two consecutive elements is same throughout the sequence, that is called AP, arithmetic progression, okay? For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Consider this sequence. If you see the difference between these two elements, that is 2, the difference between these two elements, that is 2, so the difference is same, okay? So if two consecutive elements of a sequence possess common difference, that is called arithmetic progression, okay? And we can call a sequence as a geometric progression when the two consecutive elements have same common ratio, okay? For example, consider this sequence 2, 8, 16, 32. So see, 8 over 2, it is 4. 16 over 8, this is also 4. So if they have same common ratio, okay, this sequence is called geometric progression. I hope you understand. So if the number are a1, a2, a3, okay, so on, of a arithmetic progression, then the arithmetic mean of this sequence of n numbers, that is a1 plus a2 plus so on till an, okay, over n. So we can write m this way. And for geometric progression of n numbers, gm, that is nth root over a1 into a2 so on till an, okay. So guys, our given condition, that is 2x plus 3y equal to 10, okay. We can write 2x as x plus x, okay, and 3y as y plus y plus y. So now consider these numbers x, x, y, y, y. So arithmetic mean must be x plus y plus y plus y over 5, right, as there are 5 elements. And geometric mean must be fifth root over x into y into y into y, right. Now we can reduce am to 2x plus 3y, right, over 5. And gm we can write it as fifth root over x square y cube, right. And now we are going to use a property, that is am equal greater than gm, okay. So let's put the value of am, that is 2x plus 3y over 5 equal greater than gm, that is fifth root over x square y cube. 2x plus 3y, that is 10, it is given, over 5 equal greater than fifth root over x square y cube, right. So we can write 2 equal greater than fifth root over x square y cube, right. Or we can write fifth root over x square y cube, that is equal less than 2, right. Now if we raised both sides to the fifth power, right, then it will be x square y cube equal less than 2 raised to the power 5, right. So that is x square y cube equal less than 32. So it means the maximum value of x square y cube, that is 32. Guys, this inequality, that is am equal greater than gm, it's very important, and you can smartly use these properties in many cases to solve this kind of problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also share it with your friends so that they can also get benefit.